Give me 10 minutes and I'll give you a roadmap for the next 30 days. No gyms, no jargon, just doable steps that build real freedom. Hello, I'm Riet and welcome to Thrive, where we make midlife simpler, stronger and more joyful. Today, you'll get a practical roadmap with tiny steps for your body, mind, money, community and health. You leave with a 30-day plan. You can start today. Build a body that works for you. Strength after 50 is about real life. Carrying groceries without a grunt, lifting a grandchild, kneeling in the garden, standing tall. I want to tell you about this. Once I went to Chamberlain's, I want to walk and I bought 5 liters of Jazz flute, but boy, that handle's killing your fingers. So try to carry something that is more friendlier on your fingers. Keep it simple. 2 short strength sessions a week, balance practice during walks, and a little mobility love. I didn't realize how much tight hips affected my mood until I stretch consistently. Absolute game changer. I feel much better. Keep your mind curious. To stay sharp, our brains need novelty, not pressure, but play. Pick one skill this month. Sketching, gardening, ukulele, a photography walk. Swap scrolling, a daily puzzle, a riddle with your morning coffee, or Sudoku before bed. Enroll in one free online course for lifelong learners. What is one thing you wanted to try for years but never come around to do it? Pause, write it down, and set a tiny step for this weekend to start. Make your money work. Financial independence doesn't demand wealth. It asks for clarity, consistency and curiosity. A 30-minute money morning, open your budget app and track last week's spending. Tidy one bill or subscription. Read 5 minutes on dividend ETFs or REITs. Just learning, no pressure to act. Turn it into a mini date. 2 coffees, 1 table, 1 calm conversation, joint awareness and joint peace. You will both thank me for that. Find your tribe. Loneliness is quiet but heavy. The right people feel like sunlight. Join one interest group. Hiking over 50. Grey-haired gardeners. Empty nest adventurers. Visit one local class or library talk this month. Try one online community discussion and introduce yourself. Ask yourself, who was the last new person you had a meaningful chat with? If it has been a while, this is your sign to try one thing from this menu. Take the reins on your healthcare. Preventative care isn't boring, it is brave. It says, I plan to thrive for years. When comparing plans, you look beyond the premium, current meds, wellness visits, and real out-of-pocket cost. If you use glasses, hearing aids, or chronic meds, review your coverage yearly. It's my time to do it now. Add a twice yearly reminder, health review, June and December. Your 30-day independence plan. Week 1, focus on your body. 2 short strength sessions and balance stops on walks. Week 2, your mind. Choose a new skill and book your first tiny session. Week 3, your money. Do one 30-minute money morning. Week 4, community and health. Join one group or event. Schedule your health review reminder. Frequently asked questions. Do I have to do everything? No, of course not. Choose the steps that resonate with you and build at your own pace. What if I fall off the plan? Simply restart. Independence is a rhythm, not a race. How will I know it's working? Your life feels lighter, steadier steps, clearer choices, kinder self-talk. Tell me in the comments, which area, body, mind, money, community or health, gets your love this month? Post a photo on your balance stand, your first sketch, or your money morning setup and tag us at Thrive60. If this helped you, please like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs a gentle fresh start. Let's build a life we don't want to retire from. Thank you.